Okay. All right. So if you can see that on each one of these points, and Miss Bethany, can you see my my mouse here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you start with this point, and then you draw all the lines to all the other points. And then you keep doing that until you've done all of them. And when you do that and you stand back, you can start to see these circles in the diagram. So they really highlighted that design that you were able to draw. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Here's another one that was a pretty unique design, also using the circles, but then also using the diagonals as well. So that one turned out pretty cool.
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you like that one, Trinity?
It's like the other one, but like different colors.
Yeah, and they kind of picked out some unique uh, little squares or little polygons inside of there. I thought that was really unique. And then this one was just like, whoa. Yeah,
Yes.
came out real nice. So I noticed that they also have the circles. So they're not just using the diagonals that I drew this way or the quadrants here. They're not just using that. They're also using the circles. Okay, so they're noticing that there is a pattern that is formed from all of those lines. And then on Wednesday's assignment, this was one that came in, and you do not have to do it on with the computer, but this was one person that did it with the computer, and I wanted to show you this one just because it's really easy to see. And so what she did was she drew the circle here, and she made it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the radius here. So you count horizontally to the radius and drew the circle here. And you can use like a, a cap of a lid, or you can use your compass if you still have that. And then you notice that the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. So she just plugged in the center points. And so y minus, and then the center point is 2, -2. So y minus 2 squared here, and then plus y minus a -2. Do you see that? And it became positive there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
y minus -2 becomes positive. So it sort of switches signs there. It starts out a +2, -2, but when you put in the equation, it's -2, +2. And then that equals 7 squared. Now you're going to simplify that into x minus 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 49. And that's the equation of your circle. So all you have to do is draw the circle, figure out the radius and the center point, plug it into the formula, simplify it, and you're done. Okay, so that's your whole assignment for Wednesday. Okay, now this is exactly what you're going to be doing in the Pearson. Is they're going to give you the center and a radius, and they'll ask you to write the equation. And then they'll give you the equation, and you have to draw the circle. And then they'll give you, what was the other thing that they gave you? They drew the circle, and you had to write the equation because you had to figure out where the radius and the center was. So it's basically just a bunch of problems doing exactly what you did here for this assignment. Okay, so let me back out of here. Are we back?